Good morning. After being a teacher for 37 years, I have realized that one of the main characteristics to be a good teacher is your ability to be a good speaker. This means that a good teacher must be a good public speaker. Why? Well, mainly because of two main points. The first one is that you have to be able to convey information to your students in a clear, understandable way. Second, you have to convey this information without boring your students. So you have to be able to modulate your voice. So as you see, if you're not a good public speaker, your students are not going to listen to you and they're not going to understand you. So, what is the importance of conveying the information in a clear, understandable way? Students have to be able to discriminate between your main ideas and the supporting details of the subject that you are teaching. They have to be able to understand what are the significant points of the subject that you are teaching. If you are not able to convey this type of hierarchy, order in the concepts, then the students probably are going to waste their time trying to learn things that are not really important for the subject that they are learning. So this is very important. The other point is that your way of speaking has to be entertaining, it has to be interesting. This comes because I have been able to observe many public speakers, and I've realized that when a public speaker has a monotonous, boring voice, the audience stops listening. So if you're talking about teaching a bunch of teenagers or young children and you're going to start speaking in this monotonous voice, you can be sure that they're not going to listen. If you are able to have good posture, good gestures, good tone of voice, good pitch, then they are going to be listening to what you say because it seems interesting from the very first start. So, being able to convey information in an interesting way is extremely important. As a conclusion, I can say that these are two of the main ideas in which you have to be a good public speaker to be a good teacher. First, you have to be able to convey your information in an understandable, clear, organized way. And second, you have to convey it in a manner in which you can assure that your students are going to listen to you. This is the way to be a good teacher. A good teacher has to be a good public speaker. Thank you.